Hey guys, welcome back to a new update. We're going to be looking at some more inventory action today. So let's take a look at the current inventory. It looks like this. Now I moved it from the center of the screen. I did like a lot of modifications to it. Let's see what the changes are. Some of them are quite interesting. So first of all, let's populate it with a few items. There we go. Let's just put some random items in the inventory. And it works just like it worked before. I can just drop the items down. I can pick them up. I can get the prompt. There we go. Right, so all of that still works like it worked before. What is entirely new now is that I have the ability to create and to work with more inventories. So these on the left side of the screen here are like random inventories that I just created. And they are interusable with like the main inventory. So I can move items around. I can drop them from that inventory. I can move items in between inventories if I want. I can swap them. I can do like everything I can do with like one inventory. Now I can do with all of these. And they're all independent inventories. They all have their own like storage and everything. And I can link them to like specific gameplay elements if I want. It's something that I really needed to have, because if I have like some, I don't know, like a weapon that has like some slots in it, all of those slots from that weapon would be an inventory of itself. So that's quite cool. So that's like the main change that I did. But at the same time, because I was working with this, the design of this one, the main inventory is a bit changed now. But in order to do that, I did not so interesting necessarily thing, but I can now change a lot of the settings. So right now the main inventory is locked on the right side of the screen and the other ones are locked on the left side. And I can change a lot of settings. I can change like the padding. I have like a sort of, the spacing between them. I have like a sort of editor thing now that I can use to edit these values. And also let me go and I can change the size of the items in the inventories, the padding of the slots themselves, like how much padding there is between the item and the rest of the slot. I can change, let me just make these small again. I can change the spacing in between the slots themselves and even the inventory padding. So basically the padding like outside of the inventory, well, on the inside it's the padding. But yeah, all of that is now done. And I can probably move on to some other things currently. There are obviously still a lot of things to be done with like the inventory and the items. But for now, I'm just gonna like take a little break from that and explore some other areas of the game that I want to work on. Yeah, that's been this update, and I will see you at the next one. And I have no idea what that's gonna be, but we'll see. Cheers.